Is your HP printer showing error 98.00 and refusing to print? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, we'll show you the most effective fixes. Error 98.0 usually indicates a firmware or memory issue. It may happen after a firmware update, a corrupted print job, incompatible accessories, or internal hardware communication problems. First, turn off the printer. Unplug the power cable from both the printer and the wall outlet. Wait about 60 seconds before plugging everything back in and turning the printer on. Next, clear all pending print jobs from your computer. Restart the print spooler if necessary. Then, send a small test page to check whether the error has cleared. If the error continues, disconnect any USB devices, optional memory modules, or third-party accessories. Restart the printer with only the original hardware installed. If your printer starts normally, download and install the latest firmware from HP's official support website. Updated firmware often resolves software-related error codes. If the error returns after these steps, the formatter board or another internal component may require professional service. Still seeing error 98 narrow? Contact support or an authorized repair technician.
If this video helped you fix your HP printer, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more printer troubleshooting guides.
If you're still experiencing the issue, leave your printer model in the comments and we'll do our best to help.